Guys, how are you all? I am Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make a long necklace set design that I have designed recently, and I thought let's share with you. So this can be easily worn with like this. Though I have given the hooks here, but it's a long necklace set, necklace chain, and it's not a video also. It's like this. I have made a lot of videos on choker, like which are short here, a short necklace set, but now I see that there is a demand of these long necklace sets, so I thought let's try to make the one. And these are the earrings that I have made on this. But you can make any pattern, like this is a half circle, so if you want to have any half circle and then jhumka and all, so you can make this. So look overall, really enjoyed making this design and then shooting this for you all, and I hope that you will also enjoy this, enjoy watching this video and then making this. So do try to make this necklace and do make any variation, like you can. I have used a small round glass beads with this design, but you can also use plain one, or you can use the longer glass beads and all. It's up to you, and these are designs, but you can use plain ones also. So it's totally up to you that what variation you want to make. So do make this necklace set, and do let me know in the comments below how was your experience while making this necklace set, and also do let me know in which color you are gonna make. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take this base. I didn't have the MDF base this big, so I took the cardboard and cut it in the half circle. And then we have to take any color which we like. I have taken this red colored fabric. This is cotton fabric. Then I'll use the Fevibond glue. You can also use fabric glue, but fabric glue takes time to get dry. So I use this Fevibond glue only, and then we'll quickly stick this. So this glue is also flexible, it comes up very fast, so you have to be very careful and stick it properly. So now we have stick this, and this is how the half circle will look like. Now we are gonna add this golden bead chain to this round shape. So again we'll add use this Fevibond glue only to add glue to the border, and then we'll stick this one. So we have to be very careful that there won't be any dot of glue remains on the fabric, otherwise the finishing won't look good. So be very careful while applying the glue and this chain. So in the same way, so I'll cut this extra part first, and in the same way I'll add the one more layer. So this is how it looks. Now we are gonna add, we need to add some beads here. So for that, so we need to add this eye pin. So again we'll add some beads glue here, and then we'll add the eye pins, so that they will get dry along with this 30 gauge along with this our golden bead chain, and we can finish the work a little faster. And to this straight side we have to add this pendant. So first I'll check where the placement is, and accordingly I'll add this glue, and then we'll just put the glue here, and then we'll add these safety pins accordingly, so that it will be in that place only. So you can use this trick too, so that it won't mismatch. And then to the front side, now we'll add these kundans, and we'll make the flowers. I didn't make kundans first and then added the safety pins later, because otherwise the kundans may have fallen. So we'll add the 3 kundans and we'll make a flower, and on this we'll add the white colored kundan, round kundan, and make a flower like this. So in the same way I'll make one more here. So I'll quickly do this. So this is how it looks. Now we'll keep this aside and we'll make the earring base. So this is how we have done this round base, and then we'll add the 2 layers of this golden bead chain the way we added to this our necklace pendant. So again I'll add this glue, and we'll make sure that there is no stains remains of the glue anywhere, otherwise it looks so weird and we really can't remove that stains at all, so it is a loss only to us. So this is how we have to add this golden bead chain. You can also take the pearl bead chain or any other beaded chain if you want. So similarly I'll add the one more layer of this chain. So this is how it looks, and now in the mid part I'll add this white kundan. So again carefully we'll add the beads, we'll add the glue, and we'll add this white kundan. So now we'll keep this for drying for a while and we'll do our pendant work. So now this has dried up and I've added this back finishing fabric also, and we have to add these golden beads. For that I'm taking this laria and we'll add this 5 zero size pearl, zero size white bead, and then this red color designer beads, and then just wrap it around. So you can take any other bead also rather than these beads, and then we have to just finish it to all the other 4. So this is how it looks. So now we'll add the pendant to the upper side. So for that I'm taking this and we'll just open this eye pin. So initially I have added this jump ring, but it was required, so just open this and it will fit perfectly. And then in this, now with the help of jump ring, we are going to add this wire, this beaded wire chain. So this is oval bead. This is not the pearl bead chain. This is the oval pearl bead chain, and it's also looks so pretty. And so I thought let's attach this. So make sure that you will add the close the jump ring very properly. So in the same way I'll quickly add to the next side. So guys, we have attached this and this is how it looks, and to this side we are gonna add jump ring and necklace hook so that people can wear it. So this is so long, we need not have the necklace hook also, because there is no need to open only, because this is so long that we can just wear it as is, like the way I have worn it in the intro. But still for the security reason I'll just add this S-shape hook, and in this side I'll have some bunch of earrings. And yeah, with this pretty pendant will be ready. So this is so easy, right? And yeah, so we'll add this S-shape hook, or you can also add this lobster hook. So this is how it is ready. And now we'll make the earrings. So we have made this base, and I had added this eye pins and back finishing fabric also. And then we'll open this one, and in this I'm adding this jhumka. So you can take any design of jhumka that you like, and that goes with the design. And make sure to close the loop very properly. And to the above side I'm adding this charm, adding this oxidized stud. And again you can take any stud that you like or that you got in the market. It's not needed that you need only lotus shape. So yeah, all these pretty earrings are ready. Ta-da! So do try to make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. See you soon.